Hello honeycrunchers, and welcome in another BornPrettyStore review video. The product I'm reviewing for today is this flower glass nail file. You will receive a random color and pattern once you ordered it from BornPrettyStore. I'm just so lucky to receive a blue one, and it's my favorite color. This is how long my nails are, and I don't usually keep my nails long. I just like to keep it a bit short. And I don't file them right away. I use nail clippers first before filing. So after clipping my nails, let's file the edges. And after filing all of them, here are my nails. This flower glass nail file has two sides that can be used in filing your nails. It filed my nails perfectly and it has a pretty design. You can get this for less than $1 at BornPrettyStore. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.